personal favorite when we took a glazed donut, cut it in half, put it up with table cake and anything, and then we toast it. It looks just like this. Now let's go give it to the customer. Here's your new breakfast sandwich.
Yay, thank you. This looks so good, but why is there a bite out of it?
Here's the second.
I went to the store on TikTok.
A man proposed to a woman. The woman said, I live on the 10th floor. If you could take the stairs and get there before me, I'll marry you. As soon as the man heard this, he got up.
Rhinoceros!
Meanwhile, the woman carried
Brown
the stairs
bear!
to the elevator. But just after she pressed the button
Chicken!
on the 10th floor, the ball
Lion!
pressing all the buttons for the lower.
Linux!
The woman was stunned.
Red
With
Bull!
the elevator stopping at every floor, it was
Black
definitely
donkey!
slower to take.
Squirrel!
If things worked out today,
Camel!
the man would really owe that guy a big
Tiger!
When the woman finally reached the
Gorilla.
10th floor, the man was already there.
Baby elephant!
He proposed. That guy in the
Bison!
elevator definitely deserved
Red
better than
horse.
playing an active life. A
Goat!
man proposed to a woman.
Chimpanzee!
Wanted to join a meal together.
White wolf! Tiger! Cheetah! Owl! Lion! Cows, two sisters. Zebra! Horse! Alligator! Elephant! Leopard! Elephant! Elephant kicks! Donkey! Velociraptor! Lioness! Mary! Zebra! Elephant! Deer! Wolf! Dog! Zebra! Giraffe! Grown dinosaur! Giraffe! Dinosaur!
Something was about to go wrong. Fortunately, the police finally showed up and took the man away. But at that moment, the stranger promised he would come back someday. And just 2 days later, the TikToker received a call informing him that the strange man was being released. Since he had no criminal record, the police had no choice but to set him free. After that, the TikToker obviously fell into paranoia, and no one heard from him for several days. But a month later, he recorded another video. In it, the police called him to inform him that the man was now missing and had probably left the country. Hearing this, the TikToker finally felt relieved. But then, right after he hung up, the doorbell rang, and when he went to check, it was the stalker. After this man falls...
Alligator versus Feraligator.
Don't worry, that's not what I meant. It's fine.
A few moments later.
Okay, Mariah, are you happy now?
Yep. Okay, Angel, we need 13 tickets to go see the sketch.
13, but Mariah, there's only 3 of them. For my birthday, my sister's took me out to breakfast, but there's no way I'm gonna pay. So I secretly paid the bill, and I'm gonna get the reaction.
Hey, Mariah, where's the check? What do you mean? I thought you were gonna pay for it.
I'm gonna pay for it, but I haven't received the check. Actually didn't pay for it.
You know, I'm not surprised. Check
I
Oh, wait. What? How did that get there?
You really think I should let you go on your birthday? Yeah, and your brother. Go.
For my birthday, my sister took me out to breakfast, but there's no way I'm gonna
He took a closer look and realized it was a tooth, but when he touched his own teeth, none of them were missing. Out of curiosity, he used his food to stir the dishes in his cake. Strangely, there was something in it that looked like human eye. Seeing this, he was extremely panicked and quickly told his classmates who were eating that there was something dirty around human tissue in their bowls. The classmates who had already eaten half of their meals felt a wave of nausea. They came to the school cafeteria for an investigation.
alligator.
The deceased should be a man around 40 years old.
Alligator. Shark. Trolley.
many things to do in Vietnam. It's a place where you get to create a doll. First, we're gonna pick the doll we want. If I wanted pastel purple hair, it was a little bit creepy at first. Then I'm gonna have to polish up her face to remove any color. And now it's time to customize her. Purple blush. And you guys know me, I love a little bit of sparkle. So I blew some in. I also colored her lips. And added some shine to it to give it a glow. Because you get to change the color of the eyes. I wanted her eyes to be pink. And then the instructor is gonna help you assemble the whole doll.
Be thrown on me so I slip. Oh, no, please don't do that. I will absolutely slip. Oh, please don't do this. What's that?
Wow, so many animals. Zebra.
God, please have some mercy on me. I'm your poor child. But no, I will not give up. And now
Giraffe.
okay, so I will choose number 10 box. Oh, what is that? Oh, yes, if I stick this to the board, I'll be able to stand on it. Something useful. Because this gadget is like my feet. Hard to stand on for a long time. But anyways, I have to be strong.
2 hours is past.
Tiger.
Oh, no, please help me, God. Oh, thank you, God, for helping me. And now I have to wait another 2 hours. Oh, I'm really hungry. Can you take out some sugar?
Tiger.
Oh, yes. It says that you will be given a nice meal to eat. I'm really so hungry, but thank you, God, for helping me. Oh, thank you. Oh, now I've eaten so much that I don't even have a but I still have to do it. 3 boxes because nighttime.
The first one is to throw these balls on you for sliding.
Oh, no, please don't do that, please.
The second one says that 2 2-kilogram balls have to be tied to your feet for 10 minutes.
Oh, no, I'm falling. No, I'm so tired now. Oh.
Your time is up now. And the third one is to sleep for 6 hours.
Oh, wow. After so many hardships and challenges, I finally got the chance to sleep for 6 hours. But there's one big problem. Every time I start to fall asleep, I slip and wake up again. But anyways, I have to complete my sleep. And if you don't, then the spider will appear in your toe. After doing so much tries, I finally did it and made it work.
What's that one? It's a rooster. Donkey. Have a boo. It's a horse. Wow.
She's so cool. She's wearing sunglasses inside. Whoa, she's the coolest person on earth. Whoa, get sunglasses. Baby girl, you look so beautiful today. Give me a kiss. No, I don't want you.
Farm animals.
This was a turned red. She was
Look how many animal toys.
for a checkup, but the doctor said everything was normal.
Tiger! Wow, this tiger looks so cool.
But they couldn't do it. And when the second boy walked in, he tried his best, but still failed. And when the third man walked in, he was very confident, but still couldn't take it out. And when his little brother gave it a try, he took it out easily. But right after that, his siblings rushed in and took the spotlight, and he quietly
Next.
take the sword out of the stone at Disney.
It's an alligator!
Yes, come on in. Jess, these are Danny's parents. Hi. Is everything okay?
Next. chimpanzee. Looks amazing. Here we have a duck. Quick. Nice. A lioness. Oh no, we chopped a lioness. Rainforest animals. Carnivore bear versus herbivore bear. Right. Woo. See. Oh no. Eat you with ouch.
Expecting this cake to be much smaller.
Oh, how many people did you need it for?
Wanted less decorations, less icing and everything else. Can you do this for me?
Yeah, no problem.
Where am I? Oh my God! Lobster. My color. Red lobster. My color. Not the parrots. Not just toys. Wallaby. In the kitchen. There it is. Orange tiger. Hello, I'm a sheep. Let's look for my color.
Talk to you later.
Whoa, son. Yellow sheep.
See. I'll tell you what. Wait, I need the TTY.
I am a crocodile. Can you look at the color? Yeah. Green alligator. I am not real, but for my color. Deer. Cyan narwhal. Wheel. I am Chase. Look for my color, guys. Oh, that's light blue. One more. Wow. Blue Chase.
The world's first was actually built in Cooperstown. Instead of the name, she turned into a vanilla ghost. Even her dog freaked out. She struggled.
Hello, I am Big Sky. Look for my color. Wow. Ah. Pink sky.
Mother's Day versus Father's Day. Mother's Day.
Cyan. Orange. Yellow. Red.
Mom, happy Mother's Day. I love you. I love you too.
Father's Day.
Colorful eagle.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Subscribe for more.